Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I'm going to go over Canopy Growth here. It's Weed Wednesday on the channel. I usually have talked about a couple MJ stocks. I don't even think I talked about any yesterday, and I can't remember on Monday, but I don't think I did on Monday either. It's been quite a few others to talk about, but Canopy's having a pretty good day here. This is Canopy Growth, ticker CGC. You can see you can trade it here on Robinhood. You should be able to get this on any major brokerage. 65% hold rating on it. You can see my cost basis is above, as I've had this one for a while. I need to buy some here on some of these dips and dollar cost average into it, but just been into too many other things. But back to CGC. This is what it's done here over the year. Could have got into it here at 13.56 and rode it on up to 52.17. For whatever reason, I missed this, so that must have been a big sell-off or something going on. But MJ's been on the run here, and then it's just been kind of dropping off, so hopefully it'll come back and snap out of it. That's a 3-month look, just kind of on its way down. The 1 month kind of the same. The week looks a lot better, again kind of up and down, but when it goes up, it looks like it pulls back, goes up, pulls back. Quite a bit of pullback on this one, and now it's going up again here today. So take a look at this one. Again, I have 5 shares, 38.32. If you don't know what this one is, it's in the sale of Medical MJ, and feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Been around since 2009. $10.43 billion market cap on it. This one, Constellation Brands dumped about $4 billion into it a couple years ago. So this one's not going to go under for sure. 10% rating, 65% hold. Bulls, Canopy's Growth ownership of 27% to TerraSend gives it further optionality in the United States. The Bears states and countries have incentives to maximize tax revenue products like this one. So when it becomes legal, they will be taxed, and some states they're already doing that, so just need to wait for it to go on the federal level when they're all legalized. So here's earnings coming up on June 1st in the pre-market. Here's kind of some of my history. 26.50. 36 was kind of at the high point, so and wow, I bought one at 49.60. So you can see what it's done here in a little bit less than 3 years ago. So it's used to be up at this $49 range for quite some time. So it looks like all MJ's up today. Free is up, Tilray, Aurora, Kronos. I've talked about all of those here on the channel at some point in time, so you can find all those in the library. Here's another look at MS Money, currently showing it as a hold. MJ Beverages market evolving opportunities with innovative ideas by key players. Canopy Growth and Hexo Corp. I've talked about Hexo here on the channel as well. The MJ Beverages market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 6.2% and is poised to reach, oh, that's funny, they don't have a amount in there, by 2027 as compared to $1 billion in 2020. That's kind of bizarre, but so this is providing detailed information that helps businesses to know prevailing opportunities and growth in the market share overall forecasted period. So I think you're going to see a lot of growth between now and 2025, even probably more growth 2025 to 2030. So these are a long-term play For myself, again, kind of goes over some MJ beverages market, so feel free to pause and go over that information there for yourself. Canopy Growth might be headed higher after the double bottom reversal. This is dated on the 22nd, so a little bit older information, but still relevant. The stock bounced off a critical support of 25 on Wednesday, adding that it would be a buyer of pullbacks in Canopy Growth. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. 52-week high on February 10th, reaching 56.50. So I don't know what was going on that day. I would have to look back. 52-week low of 12.95. If I'd have known it hit that, I might have sold it. But I would be getting back in if you're wanting to know if I would buy back into it. But yes, I'm definitely always going to hold Canopy Growth. They outpaced the stock market gain. What you should know, this is dated on the 26th. Closed at 27.53 in the latest trading session. Prior to today's trading, shares of the companies had lost 15.82% over the past month. CGC will be looking to display strength as it nears the next earnings release. And that kind of goes over some of the earnings. So the ranging on the ratings, strong buy to a 5 at a strong sell, with 1 stocks returning average plus 25% annually, has moved 6.4% lower, and CGC is currently at a hold. That's currently what I have it as a hold, but I would, like I said, I would like to buy a dip and dollar cost average and at least get that down at least to $30 would help. But we'll keep watching it. Top analysts, upgrades and downgrades, AMD, Canopy Growth, and so on. Canopy Growth securities resumed coverage with the buy rating of 45 price target. No consensus target for the MJ Giant was available, and shares closed Tuesday at 26.91. And I'll slowly scroll through these if you want to check out the other ratings. Some of these I haven't heard of. Chronos I've talked about here on the channel. I have some Chronos with an underperform rating and a $750 target. No consensus target available. I think my cost basis on that one is around $9. I would have to look at it again. Like I said, you can find those in my library. I've done videos pretty much on about every, well, not 100% of all the MJ stocks out there, but quite a few. Not really too much new relevant information in there. Again, at 28.17, 52-week low 12.95, 56.50 for the high, 2.9, almost 3 million, and a $10.29 billion market cap. Short time frame. Let's see if Hexo looks like it's up. Tilray is up. Freya is up, and Krana looks like they're all wanting to go up. Could have a repeat day of 210. Could be. We'll have to wait and see. Again, these are long-term holds, so when they go down, it doesn't really bother me. As you can see, I still have it and did not sell. I don't ever sell at a loss unless it's something really drastic and I feel that it's a good move and thoroughly thought out, but I never sell at a loss. It's got not too bad ratings here, still a hold with 27% upside to 35.98, high of 60.42. That might be pushing it, low of 23.43. So we're getting close to the low, but we're kind of getting close to the average as well. But like I said, you see my cost basis here. I'm down $10 a share, but I'm not going to sell it and take a $50 loss. As you can see with the volatility, this is bound to go back up to the $50 range. So like I said, that wouldn't have been too bad to about a couple shares. I'd like to get my cost basis to 30. I have more of CGC in another account. This is the only one that I show here on the channel. So I always try to do videos where I own the stock as well. So again, if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And if you're looking for a new platform outside of Robinhood, there's several links in the description. Feel free to use one or all. Get yourself some free stock. If you don't like the stock, go ahead and sell it and take the cash, buy something else. So, or take the cash out and buy your loved one something. So it's all good. So, and I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.